Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English lesson. Today, we're going to learn about the phrasal verb bring in. It has several interesting meanings, and I'll help you understand each one with animated examples. Our first meaning of bring in is when we introduce something new into a situation or discussion.
Mike, I have an idea to improve our project presentation.
Really? What is it?
Let's bring in a creative video to showcase our findings and ideas.
Bring in means to introduce something new, like the video, to enhance the project. Now, let's have an interactive session. Can anyone share an example of how they brought in something new to a situation?
Last week, during our class presentation, I brought in a fun game to engage the audience and make it more enjoyable.
Great job, Amber. Introducing something new can capture people's attention and make the experience better. Another meaning of bring in is related to earning or making money.
I have a fantastic product idea that will bring in a lot of profits for your store.
Tell me more about it.
Bring in means to earn or generate income, like through a successful product idea. Now, can you think of a situation where someone brought in a lot of money or profits?
In our school fundraiser, we brought in a significant amount of money by organizing a charity event.
Well done, Justin. Fundraisers can indeed bring in substantial funds for a good cause. Bring in can also mean to escort or lead someone into a particular location or environment.
David, I want to show you the beautiful flowers inside the park. Let's bring you in.
Thank you, Emily. I can't wait to see them.
Bring in means to bring someone into a place or location. Now, can anyone share an example of how they brought someone in to experience something special?
Last summer, I brought my visiting cousin into the city, and we had a fantastic time exploring all the famous landmarks.
That sounds like a wonderful experience, Tom. Bringing someone in allows them to enjoy new places and experiences. The last meaning of bring in is about involving or including someone in an activity or project.
To complete this project successfully, let's bring in an expert to guide us.
Bring in means to involve someone, like a consultant, to provide expertise and support. Let's have our final question. Can you think of a situation where involving someone new brought in valuable skills or knowledge?
During our school science fair, we brought in a scientist to help us with our complex experiment. Their guidance made our project even better.
Excellent example, Anna. Bringing someone in can enhance the quality of a project with their expertise. Great job, everyone. You've learned the different meanings of bring in and shared wonderful. Remember, bring in can mean to introduce something new, earn or make money, bring someone into a place, or involve someone in an activity. Keep practicing, and you'll become experts at using bring in no time. See you in the next lesson.